Hey everyone, Craig here. So I've just been through the install process for Manjaro Linux, and I've decided actually I don't really like it. It's got some nice things like hitting F12 to get the console up. I really like that. That's a great idea. But it's not doing it for me. So what I'm about to do, I've just burned a USB ISO, and I've stuck PopOS on there just to see what it's going to be like. My ultimate idea, or my ultimate goal here, is to get a Linux box that I can run my videos from. That's what this machine is for. So let's see what PopOS is going to give us. Okay, so first up, try or install PopOS. Go on then. So PopOS is Ubuntu based, so I'm expecting it to be a bit more mature than maybe the Arc based Manjaro. I'm not going to bang on too much about Manjaro this video, I hope, but yeah, I wasn't massively impressed. It just didn't feel as smooth or refined as it could have been. Okay, so there we go. Right, so we've got an installer, so we're going to choose English. And we're going to choose United Kingdom of... I've never seen it written out quite so like that. Well, that's what we're going to choose. We're going to choose a UK keyboard. It's nothing that fancy. It's just a Logitech thingamabob. We're going to do a clean install. We're going to install it onto this NVMe disk. So it's already feeling a lot smoother. Encrypts it out of the box. So I'm going to stick that password in. Set that password. Okay, so if you remember in Manjaro we had a bunch of issues with the drive partitioning, and it was unable to decide, what partition was going to be swap, what was going to be root, boot, etc. PopOS, it's just flown straight through it, no issues at all. That's good. I'm enjoying this, but I'm not going to get too far ahead of myself. We'll see what happens when we actually start using it. Okay, so that was kind of easy. That was silky smooth. So okay, let's restart the device, and I'm just going to pull out the USB. So encrypting the disk does slow down your boot experience a bit, but I'd rather have security over that level of functionality. A bit of speed isn't going to hurt. I'm going to skip Wi-Fi because I'm plugged in, don't want location services. It selected the correct time zone. So this is a function that I really like. So I run Nextcloud for my stuff, and that is really useful. I also really like this enterprise login, because this means that I can hook it straight up to my IDM domain, and it just works. It creates my user account for me. Now I am going to skip that purely because this is, as I said, a recording box, so it's likely to be something that I blow away on a regular basis. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. There we go. Is that really it? Is that really all of the configuration? I mean, it's visually very similar to Fedora. So I'm wondering if we are going to run into some of the same issues here. So if I hit YouTube real quick, and I realize I'm driving a 4K display. No, wow, okay, so the scrolling's a little bit laggy, but if we say choose this video here, is it laggy? I can't tell. No, that's looking silky smooth. Wow. Okay, that is kind of impressive. But I wonder if that's literally just a Firefox versus Chrome thing. Alright, let's see what we can do about the resolution, because the resolution is quite small at the moment. So maybe we can scale it or something like that. Okay, so the refresh rate is cranked up as high as it's going to go. Let's try 200%. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, this is already looking an awful lot nicer than Fedora and Manjaro. I mean, look at how crisp that is. The scaling, whatever they're doing here to deal with scaling on 4K displays, this is looking really nice. Fedora really struggled with this, so did Manjaro. Okay, so let's see, let's be fair, let's see if we can get hold of Chrome. Where is Chrome? Where are my apps? Okay, so do we have a nice F12? No, okay, so we don't have a nice F12 drop down thingamabob like Manjaro. I really like that feature, so I'm going to see if I can get a plugin for it. But if we go to, is PopShop where updates come from? When a developer and a publisher love each other very much. Okay, internet, I'm going to guess. Chrome. Okay, Chromium. Cool, we'll take that. And we're going to want Java. It might be JRE. Ooh, no Java. What about iced tea? No iced tea. Okay, it might just be because I'm in internet. Java. JRE. Ooh. Okay, so we have got iced tea, so this is good. So if we install that, we'll install the policy tool. Open JDK. So I wonder if it's already installed Java. Let's have a look. Do we have? Okay, so this looks like it's just looking for updates at the moment. Okay. We have Chromium here, so let's, fair test and all that. Let's go to YouTube on here and let's see if we have the same experience. Because it was in Chrome that I was finding that the video wasn't playing too good, but actually, again, that's silky smooth. In 4K, I was struggling to get silky smooth in 1080p with the way I had Fedora configured. So that's really good. I'm also enjoying to see Steam there as well. Gaming on Linux is much better, the support for it in recent years. Certainly than I remember it being last time I tried to game on Linux and having to mess around with wine and all the rest of that. That's really good to see. Okay, so if I go to my server over here, accept that risk, yeah, and I try and log in, and because I can never remember my password, I'm going to have to go over to my notes on my other screen. There we are. And because I can't read, I'm probably going to enter it about 3 times. Okay. Now for the test. So I don't know if Java's installed, but we do have iced tea, so let's see what happens here. Okay, so it's asking the right questions. I want to run it. I want to say, yes, you can do that. So I'm actually not expecting this to work. I'm expecting to run into the same issues that we have on the other iced tea based platforms, because I think that it's something to do with iced tea and ILO rather than anything to do with any specific distribution. And I think that is being held up here. I think that is still true. We've still got this. We've got the console pop-up. We've got the applet here in the corner. But we don't have... We just don't have the the console. That's a shame. That's a real shame. Again, yeah, so we're falling into the same trap here. It's doing the same behavior. So it looks like that might not work. But I've got to say, as a OS, I'm actually kind of enjoying this. Honestly, I didn't expect that I would think it was quite so nice, but it just feels smooth. Okay, well, I guess this is what I'm going to be using to drive my demos going forward, until I find something better or something that I'm kind of more interested in. But yeah. Cool. Alright, well, thank you very much everyone for watching the video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, you know, if you wouldn't mind just giving us a like and a subscribe and letting people know and whatnot. If you didn't, please let me know. Feedback is great. I appreciate all of it. Alrighty, thanks very much everyone. Have a great day.